Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. Guys, if you have one of those between year 2009 and year 2014, we're talking about that specific generation. You need to find the fuse for the intake air temperature sensor, also known as IAT sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. It's under a different name, where to buy cheap fuses from, and why it's important to test fuses. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we'll demonstrate where the intake air temperature sensor fuse is located on a 2012 Ford F-150. If you have a different year but the same generation, video may be helpful as well, guys. Right here we're going to come open the fuse box like that. That fuse box is right under the hood. When you open the hood on your Ford F-150, right above the radiators, you have a fuse box. You open it, you will face it that way, with the relays pointing. They will be towards the windshield side on the back, and that will be towards you. Now you can see, guys, how you have different kinds of fuses and relays. Some of those J-case fuses and relays can be really expensive, so we'll put the link in the description of the video below where we get ours from at a really good price and quick shipping. First, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays, and then we'll continue. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now let's explain, guys. Right here, the fuse for the intake air temperature sensor, okay, it's known as a vehicle power fuse, but it's in that row right here, guys. You can see that row specifically right there. And if you start from the very left side, even if you have a missing fuse, you count it, 1, 2. That 20 amp fuse, this is known as fuse number 76, guys. 76. That's for the mass airflow sensor, intake air temperature sensor, and other engine components as well. Very important fuse, guys. So that 20 amp fuse will need to be checked. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.